Hi everyone, I'm Alex. Today, I'm going to introduce one of our most hot export mode, 2.5 meters vertical turning lathe, VNL250T. VNL250T exports to all over the world, such as India, Saudi, Germany, Israel, and more other countries. It has FANUC or Siemens CNC controller, convenient electric hand wheel, floor type operate station, 0.5 meter cutting diameter, 2 meters turning head, 1.6 tons load capacity. X and Z axis rapid speed can reach 9 meters per minute. The machine itself weighs around 42 tons. Additionally, machine has double 37 kilowatt servo motor on the spindle and matched with CIF gearbox. It uses 2.5 meter work table with 4 cents manual hard draw. The work table includes Z-axis indexing functions. The machine casting material is strong and reagent HT3000 and all from our own foundry company. The advantage of this machine is its large size square rim, which is strong and reagent. Also, it has milling functions. It uses max 40 and 40 size milling tools. In order to realize milling functions, we use BT50, 12-position automatic tools magazine, 5 steps positioning strong beam. It can help you to position different height of beam to meet different processing requirements. Efficient chip removal by slide metal and automatic chip conveyor. Machine also equipped protection cover, air conditioner, hydraulic system, automatic lubricant system, and so on.